It's beer time. Everybody loves their beer type. Belching Beaver, Bestern IPA. It's a West Coast IPA. This is 7 ABV. Let's open it up and see what we get out of it. Big head, medium carbonation, kind of a light golden amber in color. This is a collaboration between Belching Beaver, Craft Coast, Westbound and Down. Let's try this one now. Cheers. Little hoppy or happy, not a bad beer. It's not the easiest drinking beer. If you don't like IPAs, you're probably not gonna like this beer. She kind of has a little bit of a smooth taste there after you get the hoppy, then it kind of balances out. Let me give it another try here. This would be a perfect beer for somebody that makes seatbelts for cars. Let me give it one more try before I judge it. I'm gonna give this a 4.9 beer cans out of 10. Remember to like, follow, subscribe, and share. Beer time is over.